squash and made spaghetti squash, right?
Come on, man.
The seeds, you can roast the seeds and it's amazing. This is the leftover squash, spaghetti squash, right? But let me show you these seeds that I roasted. All I used was a little bit of toasted sesame oil and some kosher salt. Use the air fryer, 400 degrees, put it in for 10 minutes. Now, you can do it less. You can do it for like 6 to 8 minutes, but I like mine a little bit crispy, because I like that extra little crunch.